Good afternoon from Malta Island. This is a completely different video, but also taking the channel back to its roots at the same time. I wanted to make a classic travel montage of the trip to Iceland about last month, a few weeks back, as part of the BVS photography workshop adventure. It was an awesome trip, and I know a lot of you watching this video were also watching those videos. So what I did is took sort of what I believe is the best of the B-roll and some of the best frames and footage and just smash it all together into a quick 2-minute travel montage. Now, what makes this really different is that we're in a super wide angle format. This is 21 by 9, that's 1920 by 855 pixels, and I've never done it before, so I wanted to try something a little bit new, and hopefully it adds that little extra touch to this montage. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. This is the winter adventure in Iceland, and I hope you like it, and it all starts right now. Let's go.
I'm a professional.